Hey everybody, so we are at the Hilton Homewood Suites in Rock Springs, Wyoming. We're in room 421, and you can kind of guess maybe where we are in time. It's September 2020, and we have just arrived at an all suites property. So we'll give you a little tour. After a lot of research, this was rated like the number one spot to stay in Rock Springs, Wyoming, which is about 3 hours south of Jackson Hole. So here we are. Anyway, you get a mini kitchen, but it has pretty much all the amenities. So you have a dishwasher, sink, hot plate, microwave, and full-size refrigerator, freezer, and then in all of the counter cabinets you get dishware. There's a toaster, some microwave cookware, and then the countertops are really nice. They're granite, and then you get coffee maker, coffee supplies, and down in these cabinets are a few other like supplies for cooking and a few for cleaning. So anyway, and then you get a little dining area with 2 chairs, and then a full living room that is a sleeper sofa, and then TV in here, a completely separate bedroom, so you get to close that off. So if you are traveling with kids, you can get some privacy unless these need to use the restroom in the middle of the night. And we're kind of in a middle of nowhere, southern Wyoming right now, so there's kind of your view. We're away from the historical part of town, but we're in the newer part of town where they have more of a selection of hotels. So we're just in the corner of the living room now, backing up and giving you a view from here. That ottoman rolls away really easily into the bedroom. You get a king-size bed. They do have rooms with 2 queens. Another TV, some more storage. Two nightstands with storage. They do have USB ports for charging on the dining table. I forgot to mention that. And then again, more storage on each side of the sink. In the bathroom, a closet, and in here you do get storage for they have the luggage rack and the bedding for the pull-out sofa and ironing supplies, and then pretty typical bathroom in here. And you probably saw me in the mirror, I look terrible. We've just been on the road for hours and hours today. So there you go. That's pretty much your tour of the Homewood Suites in Rock Springs, Wyoming. Lots of space. It's super, super clean. There is some wear and tear, some mild wear and tear, but I have to say it's nothing I would complain about, and it definitely has lots of amenities for the money and is insanely clean and not a single odor. It's really kind of nice. So anyway, if you find yourselves here, this is where I would recommend staying. There's the USB ports I was telling you about. And thanks for watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo. Feel free to like, comment, or leave a question.